Good day, everyone. Today we are going to have a reading tutorial, and this is part 1. Once again, this is teacher Eummie. Please don't forget to subscribe and please click the bell button so that you will get notified for my next video upload. So let us start. Ab, ab, cab, ab, ab, fab, ab, ab, lab, ab, ab, sab, ab, ab, tab, b, ag, b, ag, bag, j, ag, j, ag, jag, n, ag, n, ag, nag, r, ag, r, ag, rag, s, ag, s, ag, sag, t, ag, t, ag, tag, w, ag, w, ag, wag. Okay, this time let's read together. Cab, lab, fab, sab, tab, bag, jug, nug, rag, sag, tag, wag. Okay, your turn to read now. Okay, thank you, and I hope that you learned from today's reading tutorial. Once again, this is teacher Eummie saying thank you and God bless.